Welcome everybody, it's Stephanie Grams of StephanieGrams.com, CEO and founder of the Keepsake Business industry, and the only author to publish a memory bear and keepsake business book. So I talk about the business side of owning and running a keepsake business. Keepsakes are not just memory bears. So follow along. I hope you're interested in keepsakes. Be sure to follow and go to YouTube, because YouTube is where I have all of my videos. I'm at over 800 videos now, free training, plus I have the free newsletter. So today's topic is embrace personalization. All of these Lunch and Learn videos are 10 minutes or less. So here we go. Personalization is the one option that will connect you on a deeper level to your customer. So customization provides different options like adding names, birth dates, passing dates, a poem, a Bible verse. Think of anything personal to the customer and the keepsake that they're asking you to make. But how can you embrace personalization, but also make it a little different, a little bit better for your customer demographic? So let's give you some ideas. So you can incorporate meaningful symbols or dates. Think like, was a person a part of a club, the military, bikers like Harley Davidson? Like, are there different types of clubs or organizations that they were part of? Are you able to create a patch to represent that part of that person's life? Some individuals will give you clothing and say, they were part of XYZ organization, but not have a patch. Consider having a graphic designer come up with a patch idea that you can sell to your customer. Not only does that increase the competency of you and your abilities to that customer, but also it opens the door for that customer to say, oh, I never thought about this. This is a great add-on. I love this idea. So think about what you can do a little bit differently. Only offer what you're comfortable with making and that you are competent in making, because if you mess up on one keepsake, that one mistake could keep you from your business growing. So definitely make sure you know the skill, that you have the skill and talent. Practice makes perfect, and that's a real thing. Practice does make perfect. All right, capture the personalized imagery through photos or illustrations. Think about, even jewelry. If you are like me, I'm a mixed media artist. That's basically my trade. But keepsakes is my focus. So hopefully I didn't confuse you on that. Think about ways that you can incorporate an additional way to memorialize that person, if indeed it is in memory of. All right. Think about maybe a jewelry or a specialized ornament. Think beyond what you have already seen online. And then don't be afraid to, create different shapes and designs or themes for your keepsakes. It's really easy, and it's safe. Basically, it's safe to say you make a memory bear, and it looks like all of the other memory bears out there, right? It's safe for you, and as humans, we like to be in a safe place. But as a business owner, you can't technically stay in that safe place. You need to expand your learning and your talents and your skills. So don't be afraid to experiment on your own products. So I don't recommend practicing on somebody's order. Definitely learn beforehand. Practice does make perfect. Think beyond just objects. You need to not just think, oh, this is another memory bear. I know what I'm doing and I do a good job, and here's the order. Think of ways that you can connect more deeply with that customer. Through stories, emotions. You want to add a distinctive and meaningful touch to that product. I don't mean go overboard to where you're losing money through wasted time or spending out of your own pocket to give them an additional item or product. You are a business owner. You have to make money. You have bills to pay. You have taxes to pay, electricity, and so forth. So you do need to turn in income. But people are coming to you because they have an emotional need or void, and they're coming to you to make an object that means something to them. So definitely keep that in mind for every single order you make, every blog post you write, every interview you give. You can't just say, it's just not enough to say, this memory bear creates a personal experience. They can hug it like they're hugging their loved one. You need to go deeper into that. You need more meaning. So think of ways that you can do that. All right. I hope this was helpful. As always, go to stephaniegrams.com. Get on the newsletter. Bye, guys.